VAIS is an intelligent low-code platform that allows you to build a business management ecosystem without the cost of expensive IT specialists. Using VAIS, personnel participate in the modeling of business processes, including working with the Internet of Things and fragmented software from single Windows system. Now it's intuitive to work with business processes. BPM notations are a common but outdated tool for modeling business processes. Currently, they no longer meet the requirements of business because they are not interactive and do not imply working with the Internet of Things. For the demonstration, we will model the process step by step on the VAIS platform, without using BPMN and without using programming skills. As an example, we will analyze the process of approving a contract, a typical process for each enterprise. In BPM notation, it would look like this. The process consists of the following components: creation of the contract, correction, approval by departments, director, and sending the contract to the client. Before creating a process, we will register several users participating in it and add them in the group. Each participant in the process is a real person who will later participate in it, since VAIS supports the launch of the process. Adding roles: proofreader, lawyer, director. All these persons must approve the document. We create a new process template and name it. Initially, the field is empty. First of all, we need to send the contract to the proofreader for proofreading. To do this, we add a typed standard node and change its parameters. A variety of parameters are available, such as text, checkboxes, calendar, assignment of those responsible for the task, and so on. In this way, we can configure the node for any task of the process, and then send or receive parameters from the other tasks. In this case, we will need to add the file parameter to transfer the contract that will be agreed, the send button, as well as the verification statuses. Our process will consist of several more tasks. You should add and edit them in this way. However, subsequent tasks will contain some other parameters. The task of checking by a lawyer is almost similar to the one we have already done, so we copy our ready-made node and change it a little bit. We put the lawyer as the executor and change the deadline. We copy and change the third task for the director. As a result, we get 3 tasks corresponding to the 3 levels of verification in the BPMN scheme. Now you should make logical connections between tasks. To begin with, we will create a process startup node, that is, the process interface that will be used as a dashboard. In the interface, we will track the status of the process execution by parameters from other tasks. Since the process is simple, we show only some important characteristics of the document and also attach the document itself. We are starting to build connections between the task parameters and the interface, as well as logical nodes. Logical nodes allow you to perform the simplest manipulations with parameters on quick, when transferring them between tasks. For example, there is a node task status, which allows you to implement chains of alternating tasks. But we need to check not only the status of the task, it is necessary to check the approval of the document. Therefore, we add a comparison of the field with the constants that we also set in the task form by hidden fields. Depending on this comparison, we either set the next task in the chain or bring back the document for revision. In comparison with the existing notations, the processes in VAIS are interactive and represent a chain of tasks connected by the logic of the process execution. Tasks after launching the process will be displayed in the task manager, and the system will monitor their execution automatically. Now all the company's process will be under control. VAIS. It's easy to manage a business.